What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Arrma mojave grom versus 222S. I promise you this thing that will be using in this year's idea for 2026, my opinion, because the other problem is this one here is that it doesn't steal, which is it's difficult. You see, it's like it looks on pretty nice looking machine, my opinion. You see, because this thing right here is like it because you see, it's better to see, because when I turn the wheels, you can see it's very stiff. You can see, but as you can see, it's definitely works better. This machine is like it, which it will definitely be using it on the weekend this week, this year. Yeah, at some point this thing will definitely be fixed this weekend. But it's not anything I have to use like next weekend, so because I don't know exactly, which is I hope at some point this thing that will be used again some point when it gets fixed. But it's not really a big deal in my opinion. So like I said, this is definitely be using it on the weekends. This definitely looks pretty nice like a machine in my opinion. So you may expect that this machine's been used almost like every single time a little bit, because not only because the way that I got on this machine I use, so which is definitely will probably get used again on the weekend. So this is definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. And you see this is definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. But you know it's something like this what you see, but this definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. So in my opinion, so this thing definitely be used again this weekend. And you know why you see because it definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. So this thing definitely be used again on the weekend. So this definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. So this definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. I do like the same ones. This is definitely what I use again on the weekend. So this definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion. But as you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion. So this thing definitely use again on the weekend. So this definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. But I do like this thing a lot. So this is definitely will probably get used again this weekend again. This thing will get fixed this weekend. If not, this thing I had to do it to use it next weekend. I don't know exactly what you see. But it definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. So this definitely will be get used again which week the thing that we use. So this definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. This definitely will be used again this year.